In continuing the Strat-O-Matic football tutorial, we're going to talk about the movement of defensive players. About half the NFL teams use a 4-3 defense, and the other half use a 3-4 defense. The 4-3 defense has the advantage of being strong against inside runs, and it has a good moderate pass rush. So we'll talk about the 4-3 defense first. And for this demo, I'm going to be using some football miniatures instead of the squares. The defensive left end will cover the end run zone on the strong side. The defensive left tackle covers the off tackle zone and the line buck zone. The other tackle, the right tackle, covers also the line buck and off tackle zone on his side. And the defensive right end covers the end run on the weak side. The left linebacker covers the flat pass zone. The look-in pass zone is covered by the middle linebacker. And the right linebacker covers his flat pass zone. Coverage responsibilities for the left cornerback is to the flanker. Strong safety will cover the tight end. And the right cornerback will cover the split end. And the free safety will be set at the long pass zone. So in regards to the movement of the defensive players in the 4-3 zone, the left linebacker can move to the end run blitz zone or to the off tackle blitz zone. The middle linebacker can move to the off tackle zone, the line buck zone, and the other off tackle zone for help in the run support. And the right linebacker, we can cover the off tackle zone or the end run zone on his side for run support or for pass blitz. And free safety normally is at the long pass zone, but the free safety can actually go to any zone. He can move up to the flat or look-in pass zones, and he can even line up at the line of scrimmage. So the free safety is very mobile. Middle linebacker can move to either flat zones, but the outside linebackers cannot move into the look-in pass zone. Okay, let's see how we relate the movement of the defense to the defensive cards. We're going to move the left linebacker to flood the off tackle zone. So now we're going from 0 linebackers to 1 linebacker. And as you can see, the yardage is much less when you flood that zone. And there's even a higher chance of a fumble. However, strengthening that zone weakens the flat pass zone. So since he vacated that, it goes from 1 man to 0 men. And you can see a good gain of yardage after that vacated zone is there. Let's look at the free safety now. Free safety, there's 3 men in short, 1 in long. So we're going to move the free safety up to the short pass zone. Now there's 4 men in short pass zone and 0 in long pass zone. So we're strengthening one and weakening the other. And you can see the difference in yardage in the vacated zone. However, the short pass zone with 4 men is definitely strengthened. You strengthen one zone and weaken the other. And that's part of the strategy. Okay, now let's talk about the 3-4 defense. Half of the NFL teams use a 3-4. The first change is the nose tackle, who takes the place of the two defensive tackles. And then the two inside linebackers takes the place of the middle linebacker. And going over the movement of the players, the left outside linebacker can move to the end run zone, can move to the off tackle, or the off tackle line buck zone. The inside linebacker can move to the off tackle or off tackle line buck zones. And the right outside linebacker can move to the off tackle line buck zone, or to the end run zone. And the free safety, he can move just like he did in the 4-3 defense. So, okay, let's correlate the defensive movement with the defensive cards. So as you can see, now we can put one or two linebackers in the off tackle zone. So you'll see 0, 1, and 2 linebackers. Of course, the more linebackers, the better the run defense. And the same thing goes for the line buck zone. You could either add 1 or 2 linebackers. The difference in the defensive card is on the off tackle and the line buck area, where you have 0, 1, or 2 linebackers versus just 1 linebacker for the 4-3. So this concludes the tutorial on the 3-4-4-3 defense and movements. Next video we'll talk about defensive strategies, including keying on running backs and double teaming receivers.